Alright, this is just 2 days after getting it home. This is the way it looks. After getting it back from Bruce's. Start again. Here's the battery. Me and my dad worked. I remember this being chrome, brand new. Me and my dad putting that together. Forgot what the hell that's a handle of, off of something else. I remember my dad loved that. Actually, he got that for me. I found it at the junkyard. My dad had to have it. There's dual carburetors. That's what my dad loved about it. This is the way it looks. Getting it back from Bruce's. That's rat shit. One carburetor, two carburetors. We'll have to get these vacuumed out before I open those jets. I remember me and my dad, my dad opened this out of the box. Put this filter on there right there. I remember that almost like it was yesterday. There's the air conditioning. My dad always had to have air conditioning.